DJM TV.
Aisha Yesufu warns Nigerians against leaving their data with Patanmi as Serap supports a move. Plus, National Communications Commission explains phones IMEI's number registration. Hi guys, good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you, depending on your location. This is DJM Daily News Update, where you get latest news updates from around the world. Now let's go to the main news. The human rights activist Aisha Yesufu has declared that the data of Nigerians is not safe with the Nigerian Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Malam Patanmi, who has been alleged to have fraternity with terrorists. Yesufu stated this in an interview with newsmen today while reacting to a directive by the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) that Nigerians should submit the International Mobile Equipment Identity of their phone (IMEI) to the Commission as from July 2021. The IMEI is a 15-digit number that is unique to each phone. With the number, a phone can be tracked and located irrespective of the mobile phone number that is in it. To the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC), the move has become imperative to eradicate the counterfeiting of mobile phones in the phone market, discourage mobile phone stealing, promote national security, protect consumer interest, increase revenue generation for government, reduce the rate of kidnapping, stop the use of stolen phones for crimes, and help the blocking and tracing of stolen mobile phones, as well as other smart devices. However, speaking with newsmen, Mrs. Yesufu said it is unsafe and unwise for Nigerians to submit their phone identities to the Nigerian Communications Commission under Mr. Patanmi, who is a member of President Muhammadu Buhari's cabinet from Gombe State and heads the Ministry of Communications and Digital Economy, responsible for the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC), National Information Technology Development Agency, National Identity Management Commission, Nigeria Postal Service, among others. Mr. Patanmi has been under fire in the recent time from Nigerians over his past support for Al-Qaeda and Taliban due to his comments in the past. But the communication minister has come out to renounce his past radical views. Prominent Nigerians had called for his resignation or sack, but the presidency has cleared him, stating that he made the comments when he was young and naive. Speaking further, Yesufu said it is very worrisome that Patanmi is still in the government despite the outcry that has trailed his Taliban support comment in the month of April. She said, in her words, the Minister of Communications is a terrorist sympathizer, even though he tried to deny it initially. But when the overwhelming evidence of what he had done came out, he then said he did it in his younger age. Somebody in his late 30s was not a young person. Somebody who has sided with terrorist groups like Boko Haram, now at the end of affairs. I am not going to submit my details in his custody. He is not supposed to be the Minister of Communications. He ought to have been sacked right now. Terrorists have one of their own in such a sensitive place, and I am not going to put my information in his care. Handing any information to him is not wise at all. It shouldn't be at the aim of such sensitive ministry. Recall that we had earlier reported that the human rights activist had said she would not link her mobile phone SIM card with her national identification number on December 5th last year 2020. Patanmi had declared that all SIMs that were not registered with the valid national identification number on their network of telecommunication provider, else their SIM lines would be blocked. After many deadlines issued by the National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) and the extension by the Commission, many Nigerians have hesitated to link their SIM cards with their national identification number due to privacy of their data. Similarly, the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project (SERAP) has kicked against the directive by the Nigerian Communications Commission that needs Nigerians to submit their Information Mobile Equipment Identity (IMEI) of their phones. The NCC had announced that all Nigerians should submit their phone IMEI from July 2021. Reacting, SERAP described the move as illegal, stating that it amounts to a mass surveillance which is not in tandem with the Nigerian 1999 Constitution as amended. Speaking further, the group urged President Muhammadu Buhari to direct the Nigerian Communications Commission to immediately withdraw the illegal directive. In the words of the group, we urge President Muhammadu Buhari to direct the National Communications Commission to immediately withdraw the illegal directive, asking Nigerians to submit their international mobile equipment identity of their phones. We will see in court if this is not withdrawn within 48 hours. The directive cannot be justified under any circumstance as it amounts to mass surveillance, which is contrary to the Nigerian Constitution of 1999 as amended, and violates the right to privacy, freedom of expression, and would have a profound impact on human rights. Asking Nigerians to submit their phone ID is illegal and unconstitutional. The International Covenant in Civil and Political Rights, which Nigeria has ratified, provides that no one shall be subjected to arbitrary or unlawful interference with their privacy or correspondence, the rights group stated on their Twitter handle. Meanwhile, the Nigerian Communications Commission has said that its attention has been drawn to news making the rounds that the commission will need Nigerians to submit their International Mobile Equipment Identification IMEI of their phones to it from July 2021. The agency, through its spokesman, Dr. Ikechukwu Adinde, in a statement described the report as false. The NCC stated that at no time had the commission released such statement regarding the registration of phone IMEI by subscribers, and it has no plans to do so. In the words of the commission spokesman, the report in question have emanated from a section of a revised national identity policy on SIM card registration recently launched by President Muhammadu Buhari and which has been uploaded to the commission's website. The statement reads, "It is important to state that the commission is in the process of deploying a device management system (DMS). The DMS will essentially protect subscribers against phone theft and will identify and enable the elimination of fake devices from the networks. The system will capture IMEI automatically without any requirement from subscribers to submit their phones or come to the NCC office to register anything. The general public is hereby advised to disregard the said statements from the commission, which have created the erroneous impression that telephone subscribers will be needed to register their IMEI with their network providers, the NCC spokesman said. With that report, we have come to the end of our daily news update for this time. Thank you for your time with us. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment on all our news videos. Kindly follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and www.djmtv.news. I am Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.